What are you building, Zachary?
I'm building the cool sailboat, and Wes is building the rain airplane.
Zachary,
Okay.
stop pushing the table.
I don't like seeing how it goes much.
Yeah, but you're pushing the table.
Are you gonna name your sailboat?
Alan King. The
I
king
named
of Alan.
everything Alan.
Everything, Alan. Are you gonna help Daddy? Why? Supposed to be a competition.
It looks like we're winning.
Look like Wesley's almost winning.
Rain.
Red for
But
sure.
that guy's like out of pieces.
Hey, no. It's drying up. Let it dry up.
You guys are done?
Almost.
All the We're gonna have to waste a lot of food. Wait for the paint. I get the blue, get the red.
What are you gonna paint?
No, we don't want to paint anything. We're gonna paint the boat. All of these colors. I'm doing it. These are very old. Shake it.
Shake it back and drop it.
Shake it. Where are the yellow colors? I want to
Just get this through here.
Where are the plants? I want to hit the plants. I'm scared of plants. Yeah, I'm scared of plants.
Yeah, he's scared of everything.
Tissues are made out of plants.
Another man at wood.
Wood.
Yeah, because of trees.
Oh, time out. Oh, looks like Wesley's leading.
You gotta let it dry.
Oh, my dad is already dead.
What is that supposed to be?
That was like the sticky poo on my hand earlier. On that football.
I put football back in the house.
No, not football.
Oh.
The football that we were playing with.
Oh.
It was done.
And football.
Okay, first I do yellow, and then green, and then red, and then a lot of blue. I can walk the I slash E dance. Slash E dance. Father. Yellow. Right here.
Why?
No, and show everybody. No.
You wanna do your dance?
Yellow, green.
I wear men's underwear.
You wear men. What?
You have man's underwear.
Are you tired, Zach?
I'm freezing.
Are you building your sailboat?